Vlogmas day 6, and today is also my uncle's birthday. Today we are vlogging extra late. We just got off from work. I actually had to go in today instead of my normal days. I'm going in today and tomorrow so I can get it out of the way. And we just got home, so now we're doing like our nightly routine homework. I'm about to cook some dinner really quickly. I'm doing some just some baked chicken and veggies, some cream of mushroom chicken. So we're just gonna do some chicken wings and rice and gravy, and they wanted corn as well, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm going to do some veggies, like some stir-fry veggies and collard greens, which is not gonna take long at all as well. If you guys are interested in the recipe, there is an entire video up on how I make my cream of mushroom chicken. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I will have it scrolling somewhere, or you can click the link in the description and it will take you to the recipe. It is very nasty outside. It is raining, so I really just want to get this food on, take a nice hot bath and eat, get into bed, go to bed, and get ready to do it all over again tomorrow. So this vlog will probably be in combination with tomorrow's vlog, just because today and tomorrow aren't going to be long, so I'm just going to combine the two. So on the days that I have to physically go into the office, what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to combine the 2 days together, since it's not going to be much footage anyways, because I'm at work most of the day and my work day is pretty much the same. My voice is going in and out. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know if I'm trying to get sick. I hope not. But we're about to make some tea too, because what she don't have time for is getting sick. So I'm about to actually turn my key to my tea. I always got a pot of water waiting to be made for tea, because you just never know. And then speaking of tea, Amazon done pissed me off, because I ordered some new tea and they told me that they couldn't deliver it, which was supposed to be delivered yesterday. And they were like, oh, we couldn't deliver your package, you're gonna have to go and pick it up. I was at home all day yesterday, and it said they tried to deliver it at 2:30. I was at home at 2:30 yesterday, so I'm not sure where they tried to deliver it to, who they tried to deliver it to, but it sure wasn't my house. And I'm upset because it's not even giving me the information that I need to know where I need to go and pick this doggone package up from. Like, I just want my tea. And it's crazy because the tea that I ordered is cold tea. Like, it's literally for colds and stuff. So I got that specifically because the weather is changing and the weather is weird. And so I got it in case, you know, one of me or the boys decide that, hey, we're not feeling good today, I can nip that in the bud really quickly. But apparently Amazon is being some buttholes and won't give me my damn tea. So y'all know how I told y'all I was gonna make some just some stir-fried edges. I just got veggies, Jesus. I just got these from Walmart, so I'm gonna just toss these in the pot. These are teriyaki veggie and sauce stir-fry kit. So I'm gonna just throw these in the pot. I'm gonna also add some more broccoli to it, some more carrots, stir it, whip it, whoop, 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 and that's gonna be it. not me. Hi guys, good morning. It is Vlogmas day 7 and we have to physically work today, but I'm leaving to run to the beach. Sorry. I'm leaving work to run to the mall really quickly to pick up some pretzels because I want a pretzel. And I also, Bath and Body Works is having their sale on their hand sprays, and it's only in stores. And the boys and I love this one, the lavender vanilla. I told y'all I got a weird obsession with the everybody just driving like they ain't got no sense around here. What else? The lavender vanilla spray. So I'm gonna go grab them some more of the little ones that they can take to school, so they put them on the little key rings that's on their book sacks. And then I'm gonna grab some more of those, grab my pretzel, and then come on back to work. Today is like gonna be a day of nothing really. It's gloomy outside, it's cold outside, so we're not really gonna be doing anything once I get off from work. I left last night's vlog off with cooking in the shower, so we just did that. Or actually I took a bath. That was how I ended off the vlog last night. But yeah, today is probably gonna be a repeat of that. And then tomorrow we're working from home, so tomorrow will be a little bit more eventful because I have to, or not I have to, I am filming tomorrow for Instagram. So yeah, you guys will come along as I prepare for that. So tomorrow will be a little bit more entertaining. But y'all, I'm a regular person. Like, I do regular things. I'm a regular mom. I'm just like a regular person. So my vlogs are like real life every day. It ain't gonna be extravagant like some of these YouTubers. They be out and about. They be like out and about. Sorry guys, I'm vlogging on my phone because I actually left my camera at home because I wasn't planning on vlogging today. But I'm a regular YouTuber. Like the other YouTubers, they be out and about every day. Like, that's not my ministry, that's not my life. It's just not. Now, do I go to the store every day? Yes, I do, for the most part. Almost every day, yes. But all that extra stuff, nah. So we're headed to the mall to pick this up really quickly, grab us a pretzel, and then we're headed back to work. Hi guys, so we have made it home. Why you got your shoes on in here? I'm tired. He had a rough day at school today, so he's a little upset. But we are about to, that's bright. Say hi. So yeah, we just got home from work and school and stuff, and I'm not gonna do too much. Want to say hi to the vlog? Okay, I guess not. That was my oldest. I'm actually about to create a media kit because, what is it? Shoot. Like I was saying, I'm about to create a media kit because I don't have one, and a brand wants to collab and they want a media kit, so I am going to create one. I'm not going to bore you guys with that. I will show you though tomorrow once I'm complete with it, because I want to vlog, I want to edit yesterday's footage and today's footage. So yeah, I told you guys earlier that I was going to Bath and Body Works, but they didn't have what I wanted, so I went in there, but I didn't end up buying anything. I just ended up getting the person and going back to work. But yeah guys, I am going to go ahead and end this vlog here because all we're going to do is create a media kit, as well as dinner, baths, all that good stuff, homework, how was your day, which we already talked about our day because I told you my little one is having a rough day today, child. The girls went to recess longer than the boys, so he upset about it, and now he don't want to go back to school. He's so dramatic. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this vlog, and we will see you guys on tomorrow. Bye.